Niggas see me on way out of here too far to skip. Ash with the top, my ass, bitch so pretty.
Do you not get the concept?
Alright guys, so I did not recap y'all about last night. So first we went to this pregame and it was giving very bogus. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It was.
They had to be college girls, but then again, Anaya and them are college girls too. So I guess it's for their demographic. But Anaya wanted to go to the 24 some Jada Waiter thing. She was like, oh, she wanna go because this is where everybody gonna be at. And we don't wanna see Jada Waiter. She's like, we not here for Jada Waiter. I'm like, okay, whatever. So we ended up going to this place called Mr. Jones. And I feel like that place has to be where they used to have Wildin' Out, like that background in the back. I'm like, this is where they used to have the rap battles. Like, I know this has to be the place. We was in a section, it was cool, whatever. They said I was being stush.
No, you were being
I don't think I was being stush. I danced. I was dancing
and I'm
when
a stush girl too. And she
no,
was being mad
I was
stush.
dancing when the West Indian songs
Back up
came on.
Anastasia?
When the West Indian songs came on, the little
same thing.
Yeah, the little 1-2, I did a little cute little whine. When everybody left to go to the bathroom, he's like, where they all went? I was like, they went to the bathroom. He's like, all of them? I said yes. All of them went to the bathroom.
Girls.
He was there.
Go to the bathroom together.
We're about to leave because Anaya talking about some girl said something, some girl cursed at her, said,
Yup.
Get the F out the way or something like that. So I'm like, who said that to you, Anaya? She like, that one, right? So I go to the girl, I tap her real politely.
We all mobbed the girl.
I walked up to her.
Because
I was dead staring, waiting to see what she did. Like, I was looking like...
Yeah, so I walked up and I tapped her because, you know, they be stereotyping us. So I'm like, I said, did you just curse at my...
hot walk.
It is hot. I said, did you just curse at my sister? She said, what, huh? I said, did you just curse at my sister? She's like, oh no, I think you have the wrong person. Mind you, security is charging behind me. Jessica right there on my back, like this.
She was right behind
up to her, bro.
I didn't know what was going on, but anyhow, somebody snapped. I was in it. Like,
and then whoever the guy was next to her came and walked close and said, I had to turn around because I'm looking for Anaya now to make sure it's the right girl. Anaya disappeared. She's like, let's go. But no, that was the girl. Then we go to this place called Taboo. We thought we was getting in. Naya's not 23 anymore.
Naya got the fake ID.
Naya not 23.
This is the story I need.
22.
How you say it, lit 23, right? So you know, obviously, Anaya's way younger than us. The girl is not even 20 yet. So she has a fake ID. Her and one of her friends have a fake ID, Jordan. But that's
all they've been.
Yeah, they wasn't scanning Jordan's own at the first place, but after they just let all these girls in who's underage before, so they was like, y'all just come in. But we get to the second place now. Mind you, Anaya's the only one who is not over 21. So we go.
We think they gonna let us fly. Because she the only one.
We scan her ID, bro. Decline.
Right over here.
Bro, it declines like 4 times. Mind you, Anaya's here like, no, my ID scans. Decline.
Yeah, that shit kept declining. She was like, it's scanned.
I keep hearing the...
Yo, bro.
No, it wasn't even that. He was like, how old are you? What your ID say? Anaya gonna say, October 6th, 2000 and...
She said October 3rd. She didn't even say October. She said October 3rd.
Mind you, her year was all the way off. Her ID said October 6th, 2003.
Shorty got passport and thing wrong. Basically, this is the reason we didn't make it to the second spot last night. Oh, there's it's 2 players? Huh? Are you the girl? Yeah. I can't even tell if you're losing or not. Alright guys, it is our last day in Miami. Our last couple of hours. We ain't do nothing for the day. We didn't do nothing for the day. This is why you can't go trust the type B people. We ain't do nothing for the day. Yes, that did stress me out. So now, thanks to the type A people here because they think things just drop out the sky, we're going on a boat. So I thought that they wasn't drinking last night. Look how much of the bottles left. It's like halfway through, so this is gonna be done tonight. We about to get to drinking, get a little snacky snack, and then get on that boat. Yeah, and we took pictures. All right, guys, shot number 1. Bitch, I ain't friendly. That's not even what's playing no more. Number one. Oh goodness, we gotta wait for Jessica.
That's Chaser. I didn't use some Chaser.
Cheers. What
is that, juice?
It's cut water.
Chaser with cup water.
I need to do that though. Take your time first. Woo! Okay guys, we're finally
Oh, our shit is here too. I'm looking at them.
guys, we're finally going somewhere for the day. Look at our little group picture in the bathroom. Is it this? Oh, me and Jessica took some cute pictures yesterday together too. Look, picture is so cute.
It's 15. I don't like that license plate.
I changed my outfit from what I was originally gonna wear to something a little bit more cleaner because it's so hot out here. Hi guys.
Wait, am I in it?
Wait, stop. No, it's just she just said hi guys and that's it. Like okay,
I just
girl.
clapped my bag down.
Stop. Okay. You back my feet.
No, okay.
Guys, I'm not even laughing with her.
Okay, I'm
No,
recording.
because-
I'm recording.
Okay, guys, hi. It is 2025.
Okay.
Don't put the date. Oh my gosh. Stop. Okay, we are lit in Miami. And I just want to send a message to my future daughter.
No, did y'all just hear her?
I just sent a message.
She said she want to send a message to her future daughter.
Can you hold the phone?
What are we talking about?
I have to
Getting sentimental right now?
I have to send a message. Hey girl.
Hey, girl.
Can you stop? You know what? You have to be serious, Jessica. Stop. Okay, ready? Hey girl. You gotta be old enough to be watching this. So I'm hoping you're 21 already. So that will be.
This is Kayla's way of romanticizing her life, doing a video diary of.
No, Dada.
Stop.
This is your aunt.
Yeah, that's your
Your hot aunt. Your hot, sexy turn on.
Period.
Listen, your auntie might be very old by that time because you're probably gonna be the last one here. Excuse me.
The last one here.
Yeah, you're gonna be the youngest cousin, so just deal with that. Yes. Okay. Your godmom, maybe, maybe.
And then you're just gonna see me around. I'm here,
She's
friend of the fam.
Let me tell you, Auntie Anna gonna be the realest auntie though, okay? Auntie Anna's gonna be the
She
realest
gonna be
auntie.
everybody's real
I'm
auntie.
dead.
But listen, Rory, listen.
Rory.
Don't worry.
Please don't.
Yes.
Please don't fuck around.
What you gonna name your daughter? What you gonna name your daughter?
Not Glory.
I said Rory.
That's
not her name. That's her nickname.
What's that name?
Aurora.
Fried me.
Her name is Aurora.
Oh, wow.
Aurora.
Oh, she's feeling this.
That's my daughter's name.
No, for real,
Aurora.
spell it.
A-U-R. Like y'all be haters.
Yo, what the
That's my daughter's name.
My daughter's name.
You are? Well, anyways.
You okay? Don't
Fry me. Anyways, so to my daughter that I love very much.
The video diary.
Can you stop?
go.
Yo,
She's probably like this drunk bitch.
she
All right,
should
go.
because she should be this lit when she's my age. I'm 25 by the way, if you was wondering. But yeah, I'll probably see you in like 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years. I don't know.
I dad thought this was a fit check, and you really just
I wouldn't be surprised if you have a
go
daughter at
fit check,
35.
bro.
Yeah, I could have a daughter at 30.
I
Give
want
me.
to have one at 32.
I'm glad you
I
raised
want
the
it
age.
to be 24.
Look who's getting sentimental now. Exactly. But anyways.
I'm pregnant right now.
Oh, no. Rory, don't listen to that girl. Don't be getting pregnant so young. But anyways, I wanted to say that I hope that when you're my age, you realize that you need to live life, okay? Enjoy it. You're young, your turn. And you only get to be this young and fun once. So take notes from mommy. Yeah, love you. Bye.
She said take notes from mom.
And don't let your cousins bully you, because I know they're gonna all be way older than you. So, yeah. Look at your aunt. Like she didn't have her. By the time you see this, your first cousin will be like 5-6 years older than you. And saying cousin is insane too, because like I be looking, I'm like, aunt is somebody's brother. But anyways,
You say you want to have your kid at 24, so no. She already telling me I'm about to
I
have
moved it back to 26.
I thought you said 32 just now. You liar.
No, 32 is a last case scenario. That's crazy. Bro,
Well, yeah, you really gonna be the youngest. Sorry.
we're probably waiting on our.
Música desde mi teléfono.
Me. No. You do. No. Let me connect.
Mi teléfono.
And Lily told you.
Bluetooth.
Yes.
Mi teléfono. Do that. How?
Yo,
I
don't
say how in Spanish, ¿por qué?
Okay.
¿Por qué?
That's because.
Okay, I'm gonna just airdrop you my music and you gonna keep it in your phone. Yeah. I'm gonna airdrop.
Yeah.
Y'all better not laugh either.
Bro, we're not gonna laugh. We just got you a whole record label behind you. Like, come on, bro.
Yes. He's not trustworthy. I fuck with him.
No, I'm not a hood bitch. But I'm the pretty bitch that all the hood niggas fuck with.
Okay.
My lace up, she's up 30.
Okay. Bro, I flash.
Hard nigga can't see me.
Oh my god.
Still fucking with games and lame niggas day.
Dumb bitch, you not.
Y'all are dumb. Like, yo,
What?
what happened?
That's it? That's it?
No.
The snippet.
Here, why you paused it? Oh, it's because his phone locked. That's embarrassing. Now listen to lyrics.
Come on, we need to hear something.
This is not me.
That was you in the beginning?
No,
No.
I'm not a hood bitch. But I'm the pretty bitch that all the hood niggas fuck with.
Okay.
Why is it okay?
Then my lace up, she's on 30. Bad bitch, you can't hurt me.
Come on, rap the song.
You gotta rap.
Rap the song.
Signed or what?
Like,
Back.
let's go.
Pull on the shades if you need to.
Bitch, you not in.
Okay.
And you like my pig.
Okay.
That can't work, so ask me no stop, bro. Please open your phone. Why does it keep stopping?
Because it keeps locking the phone. That's what
I
happened.
don't know how to like.
I'll hold
stop
it. I'll hold it. So I'll refresh it for you.
We're gonna do it.
Hard nigga can't see me.
Only fucking with a nigga with a top team.
I'm a 7-figure bitch. Let
What?
me a nigga that's rich.
Oh, she said she got her own money.
What Pop said,
If your nails not done, bitch, you are not in.
Okay.
I'm a lit bitch. Man on my dick.
Oh my god, Anari calling me again. Alright, y'all, boat tour before I run out of storage. So this is the inside. Show you.
You're dumb as shit.
They got a bed in here for the girls who's too lit. I don't know who's gonna sleep in here. Maybe me. Maybe. Yeah. This is the little bathroom. Shower. It's clean in here, yeah. Y'all want something to drink? Kitchen. All this. This by the boat. And then here's the front.
Yeah. Thank you. Everybody got a shot?
Okay, come on, cheers.
Happy side in a bed.
Why is it stopping this girl? I don't think there's nowhere for him to go though.
Investing and saving should
An
be a
ad?
second job.
Oh my
Betterment
God.
puts good money to work for you.
Look at the
Automated
views.
tools and expert built.
It's that
She calling me daddy, walking on shit, trying to look like this. Came out the color, ain't never made a swagger. Security bank.
that BMG.
So fat.
Okay, y'all, we are back at the airport. It is like 5 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, literally, I'm so tired, but time to go home. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day. I'll see y'all tomorrow.